Hi guys, welcome to FitNCalm. I'm Khushpinder and welcome to the day 7, which is the last day of our Yoga Anywhere challenge. So let's hope you enjoyed it this far and let's have an amazing practice today. So once again, just come on your mat or on the floor, wherever you are, Yoga Anywhere. So feet together, just notice the balance of the body. If it's more towards one side, less towards the other, just notice the front of the feet, notice the back, notice the sides, and just see if the body is going upwards or if the body is just crashing into the ground. You're feeling a little tired, or if you're feeling energetic, take a breath in, breathe out, opening up the heart, opening up the chest, rolling the shoulders a little back and down. Take a breath in and breathe out. Just open the palms, open the fingers wide. Just feeling the body at this moment, feeling the arms. Take a breath in and exhale. Gently open your eyes if they are closed. Inhale, take both the hands up. Take both the feet a little wide, little away from each other. Feeling as if all your limbs are being stretched in opposite directions. Take a breath in and exhale. Now we will bend the right elbow, the left knee, bring them close and go back. Exhaling the other side with full control. The more control you do it with, the more strength you'll have. The right and the left. The right, left hand, right elbow, left, right, left. Let the navel be pulled in towards the lower back as you do this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Do it a little faster. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 3 more. Left, right, left, right, and left. Just stretch the hands out and exhale, bring them down, hands at the back. Inhale, just take the body a little back. Exhale, bend a little forward. Just let the body loose. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Slowly inhale and gently come back up, keeping the feet close together, arms by the sides of the body. Now inhale, take the left hand up, just stretch the left hand, stretch a little more, bend towards the right. Just feel the left hand is going up and the right is coming down. Take a breath in and exhale. One more breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep going down towards the right side and keep going up with the left hand. Feeling that squeeze in your right side and feeling that stretch in the left. A little more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, come all the way up, and as you exhale, release the left hand. Inhale, take the right hand up, just stretch it up, up, and now bend to the left side, looking up at the right hand. With the left hand you're trying to go down, with the right you're trying to go up. feeling that squeeze in the left side of the body and feeling the stretch in the right side of the body. Take a breath in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Once again, just stretch a little more, Inhale and exhale. Slowly inhale, come all the way. And as you exhale, relax the hands. Keep the feet a little distance apart, keeping the right foot out 90 degrees, left foot facing a little inwards. And now we'll just go into the lunge position. Let the arms be parallel to each other. Just bring the left knee down and up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Just stay there. Take a breath in and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly come back to the center. Let the left foot be pointing out. Let the right knee come down. Just take the hands parallel. Bring it down and just straighten the leg. Just trying to keep the left thigh as parallel to the ground as it can be. Bringing the right lightly touching the ground. Go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and come up. Take a breath in, exhale, and inhale. Come back to the center. Take another breath in and breathe out. One more breath in, exhale. Once more, right foot out and the left in. Just keep the distance comfortable enough for you, and now bend the right leg at the knee. Bringing the ankle and the knee in line. Inhale, just bring the arms parallel to the ground, looking forward, and now bend them at a 90-degree angle to the body. Now slowly just twist to the right, come back to the center. Keeping the hands in the same place, we are moving from the waist. Twist to the left and center. To the right, center. Left, center. Right, center. Left, center. Right, center. Left, feel the twist and keep the leg as parallel to the ground as you can. Right, left, right, maintaining the balance, left, continue, right and center. Relax the hands, relax the feet, stretch out the legs, straightening them. Take a breath in and let go. Slowly, the left leg out 90 degrees, right a little inwards, bending the left leg at the knee, looking forward, arms parallel to the ground, bend them at a 90-degree angle. Once again, trying to keep the thigh as parallel to the ground, towards the right, center. From the waist we move left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, left, maintaining, right, continue, and relax, keeping both the legs stretched out straight, hands at the back. Take a breath in, go back and exhale, bend forward, let the body loose. Take a breath in and let go. Breathe in and let go. Breathe in And very gently roll the body, roll the spine and come up. Now walk the toes in, the heels in, toes, heels, toes, heels. And come back to the center. Take a breath in through the nose. Hold the breath. Through the mouth, exhale. Once more, inhale. Hold the breath. Through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Hold. And just relax the body. Just feeling a bit of gratitude towards this body that we've been given, however it is. Just feel grateful for the body. Gently bring the palms in front of the heart. Feeling grateful for this day, feeling grateful for this ancient and beautiful wisdom of yoga. Feeling gratitude for all the things that we've received in our life. The more grateful we feel, the more grace flows in life. Feeling gratitude for the 7 days of yoga that we've been doing. Just feeling thankful towards our own self for the time that we've given. And taking an intention, setting an intention to keep aside a little bit of time every day for ourselves. With gratitude in the heart and with a smile on the face, you may open your eyes. We hope you enjoyed the 7 days of Yoga Anywhere practice. We look forward to seeing you here a little more often. You can check out our 30 days of yoga on YouTube as well. And if you haven't done that, do follow us and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. May you stay fit and calm.